Hi everybody, it's Shannon West here with another paper pumpkin unboxing. This is February 2022 and I cannot wait to see what's inside. So let's get this open. The name of this kit is Safari Celebration. And so I'm expecting some animals or maybe a jungle theme, or something like that. Let's see what we've got. Okay, Rich Razzleberry is our color. Here's the stamp set. Let me move this out of the way. So let's see. We've got all kinds of greetings, it looks like. Oh, that was right. Fantastic. Happy birthday. Congratulations. You did it. Amazing. You are so, it must be you are so amazing. And then like a little leaf. It looks like maybe some leopard spots and a cupcake. Cute. Okay, and then here's a little advertisement for the March kit. And an advertisement for the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, which I agree is amazing. I could not live without mine. And then another little mention about the Share Your Moment initiative that's going on. And we are ready to see this stamp set. It's always so fun how they have the tissue paper in there to make it feel like it's a specially wrapped gift. And now for the real stuff. Okay, we've got, okay, so here's the cards. Let's see, let me take the shiny cover off. Woo, pieces falling out everywhere. So it looks like we've got like a little gorilla card. It says, you did it, let's celebrate. Oh, it's not I was going to say a giraffe, but it's something else, like maybe an emu or a gazelle. Congratulations. And an elephant on roller skates. You are amazing. I love roller skates, so I'm going to start with that one today. So let's take a look at what we need. We're going to need You Are So Amazing. And it looks like we need to put it on our block 2 separate times. Okay, let's see where all these pieces are. Now, the kits always come with these little glue dots, but I use my Stampin' Seal. It's quite a bit faster because I'm making a video, but they both work great, so keep that in mind. I'm just going to make one of each card, so I'll just pop out one of each piece, and that should be enough. Let's see, we want to have one envelope, one of each envelope. Oh, these are cute though, look at that. And on the inside, adorable. And then here's another little green one. This one goes with the gorilla card. So we'll put that aside. And then this is the elephant envelope. That's a nice little touch with the printing on the right-hand side. Okay, we've got some dimensionals, and it looks like these are going to be just some little details. Let's see. They're just kind of like rhinestones, but instead of rhinestones, they're real stones that we can place around our cards. Okay, there are 3 card colors. Oh, okay, there's my die cuts. Okay, got to get organized here. So we'll need that piece. I'll need this. Yeah, now I'm taking a closer look at that. And I still don't really know what type of animal that is. So if you know, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I don't know. I could probably Google it. But even still, I'm not sure it would look the same as what we have here. Okay, so let's do, we're probably going to need one of each of these, I would guess. Are there 3 sheets? Okay, there are 3 sheets, so I bet we need this entire set. Let's see, sometimes there are extras, so let's see, now it looks like we use both of these purple ones, and yellow. Oh, I like that one. It's kind of fun. And then this bigger leaf, it looks like that must be Rich Razzleberry and maybe Blackberry Bliss. Got this little one. And, well, while I'm at it, I'll just pop these out just in case. I don't have to find this piece of stuff. Again, I can just get rid of it. Okay, got one of each of my cards. Okay, now there's these vellum pieces. And I didn't notice the vellum at first. That's typical for me. I don't always see the vellum on cards, but now I can see it, and there's a background for each one. So this circle will be for the elephant. So I'll keep those together. And then there's like a giant plus sign, and that's for the gorilla. And then finally, we'll have this one, like a really oblong hexagon for this one. So that's cool. Let's see, maybe gather up all the pieces that are needed for each one so they're in the right piles. So for the elephant, I'm going to need this one and the yellow and the green. Where did the green go? There it is. Phew, didn't lose that. And then let's see, for the gorilla, we have the purple and the other green. Oh, yep, we're using every single one. I'm glad I popped all those out. Nice. Okay, then these greeting pieces, elephant, gorilla, and gazelle cards. Oh, this is moving right along nicely. All right, I've got all of my pieces here now. So let's put these cards together. Here's one more look at these adorable cards. They turned out so darling, and the envelopes look awesome with them. I'm really impressed. That's it for this month. If you want to see next month's video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll be back then. Thanks. Appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.